Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm unboxing the Violet box for the month of July and August. So talking about the Violet box is a beauty subscription service. They launch a new beauty subscription box every 2 months. So which means this box which I'm showing you is a box for July and the month of August. They have a special concern and a special focus on natural and organic products. Most of their products are natural or derived from natural sources, whatever they put in their beauty subscription box, which is quite well curated, I must say. And I'll share the contents with you all. So it comes in a basic cardboard box packaging, which is recyclable, which is great. Another thing that is great about Violet box is that you for every box that you are subscribing or we are subscribing, they donate a month's period essentials to one needy girl in India, which is, I guess, a great cause, which means I'm spending my money but it's going for a good cause and I'm getting beauty products with it, which is a win-win situation for all of us. So this is a card that they have, welcome to the Violet Club, and hashtag Violet Love for all the Insta lovers or hashtag lovers. And this is the box. This is the box with all the hay inside, with the hay bedding that they always have. So starting with my favorite product, it is the Innocent India Chamomile and Rose Petals. These are, as you can see, rose and chamomile petals, 100% organic, 100% natural. They're real rose petals. So you can use them in teas and soups, or you can use them in Italian and Indian vegetables. Mostly Diwali pe kai baar hum log the kind of bhog and all that we put rose petals also in it, so that it can be very nicely used for that. I love this product. Then the second product that I have, where should I start from? Let's start from this. So it is the McCaffeine Caffeine Shower Gel. I must tell you that it has a very fresh kind of a smell. I can't, it's a very citrusy, fresh kind of a smell, and it's a very unisex smell. So you can actually put it in the shower, and man and wife, or even like the male members of your family can use it. This is a 50 ml sample. McCaffeine is a brand which produces only paraben-free product. So this has might have silicons, some of the products might have silicons, but they are absolutely paraben free. I would be linking all the prices of the products in the description bar below, but let me tell you, the box is for 14.99 bucks, and there's a discount coupon which is mentioned in the description for all of you. It's a 300 rupee discount coupon, so please make use of that. The box retails for 14.99, just by the way. The second product is the McCaffeine Cool Jazz Caffeine Hair Cream. So that one was a shower gel. This is a hair cream. You can use it just like an after shower hair cream, and after post applying this, you can style your hair as you like. I mostly put a hair cream and leave my hair just like that, comb it or something. And this also is paraben free, by the way. This is also a 50-gram tub, and I'm really looking forward to it, because this has caffeine in it, and caffeine, as they say that you should put tea bags in your hair as well, like some hair pack made of tea bags. Caffeine is considered very good for the hair. So let me try it and I'll share my review with you for the hair cream. Then pardon my pronunciation, it is the La Blanc, I guess it is the La Blanc Wine Face Wash. This is a 100 ml face wash. This has grapefruit extracts, aqua and glycerin in it. And this is also a natural based product. Yes, it is. And this is a 100 ml product, as I can show you. Wine face wash, I'm really excited to try, because wine, as they say, Cleopatra used to bathe in wine and all those things. So let me see, let me use it and tell you. Then the second product, the fifth product, nth product, is also from La Blanc. It is the Apricot Face Wash. This is also a 50-gram product. As you know, apricot, I also use apricot face wash once a week. I use another brand, but this is also a brand, an apricot face wash that they've sent. I must tell you that apricot gives you the kind of glow. So at least once a week, you should use an apricot face scrub. Oh, I'm saying wash. It is a scrub, by the way. I'm so sorry. It is the apricot face scrub. Then comes a foot cleanser. So this is the Lady Madeline foot cleanser, Melaleuca foot cleanser. This is, I'll link the entire product below. So the directions for using this is, you have to take 2 tablespoons of this foot soak. It's a liquid foot soak, and put it in warm water and then soak your feet in it. They say that wipe feet dry and get amazed with the results, which is great. This has tea tree oil and triclosan in it. Tea tree oil actually energizes the skin, as we have seen, and also removes the skin from any impurities. It has antibacterial properties, so it's great. I would definitely love to try this. And any which ways, I love to get, you know, a pedicure, an at-home pedicure, which shows me to the other product. It is the Vedic line Skin Masters Hand and Feet Spa Therapy with lavender and vanilla extract. So you can use it for either your manicure or your pedicure. It's a 6-step pedicure and manicure kit. I'll share all the steps with you. This is the step 1. This is the spa cleanser. Then there is spa sugar scrub. Then there is spa cuticle nail cream. As I'm telling you, it is the hand and foot spa therapy with lavender and vanilla. This is not tested on animals. This is 100% vegetable derived, which is awesome. Vedic line anyways is a very good line for natural and organic products. Then the fourth one is Spa Crystallizer Jelly Soap. I'm just showing you what all product it has steps. There's the Spa Decrystallizer. There's a crystallizer and a decrystallizer. Then there's a spa cream, and the 7th step is the gel pack. So these are the 7 steps of manicure, pedicure, hand and foot spa therapy, as they call it. So I'm really looking forward for it because lavender, as you all know, is my all-time favorite scent. And right now, for some reasons, I'm liking vanilla also. I bought a vanilla Body Shop mist some time back, and I'm really loving it. So let's see. I'll use it up for sure. Then it is the L21 nail enamel. Just see, look at the color. It's a grey colored nail color. And frankly, I've had black, I've had white, silver, but I've never used a grey colored nail enamel, and I'm really looking forward to it. So this is one thing which this really surprised me. So yes, I think you will see me wearing this nail color in one of my videos for sure. I'm really looking forward to wearing this, excuse me. And the final product, which is a perfume. As you all know, I love perfumes. Perfume samples, whatever, it's always welcome. It is the Pioneer Poland Krakow perfume. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it all well. There's a 30 ml perfume. They've written parfume. I guess in Polish it's written like that. Pardon me. So this is a very nice musky fruity perfume. It has, I guess, some top notes of fruit and musk, as I'm guessing. Hopefully I'm right with that. They've not mentioned any top note or anything with that, but this is a 30 ml perfume, a very good size product. I guess it's a full size product only. So as I mentioned, Violet box retails for 1499. You can get a 300 rupee off by using the coupon code which is mentioned in the description box below. Please do subscribe to the Violet box, especially for the July-August edition, because it has perfumes, it has shower gels, it has the wine face wash, and of course the hand and foot therapy, which is one of my favorite products. I can smell vanilla out of it. So yes, do subscribe to the Violet box. You are anyways helping a good cause and getting lots of products for yourself. It retails for 1499. Do use the coupon code and get a 300 rupee off. Until next time, thank you for watching. Bye bye.